Past papers Edexcel C1 2018, question 7, and it's discriminant. Why do we know it's discriminant? Because it mentions the number of roots to a quadratic. We know it's a quadratic because the next squared terms, x terms and a number. Okay, so using the quadratic, do a show that for 4 marks, so we know what the answer is. That should be straightforward. And if we get it slightly wrong, we can use the answer to make sure we get it right. And then find the set of possible values of k, 4 marks for solving this inequality. Doing our 5-step process. Really hard, or not. Not really. Okay. 20x squared equals 4k minus 13k x squared plus 2. To find the discriminant, we've got to make that quadratic equation equal 0 first. So 20x squared, so for part A, 20x squared plus 13k x squared, take away 4kx, take away 2, is equal to 0, i.e. 20 plus 13k x squared, take away 4kx, take away 2 is equal to 0. For no real roots, discriminant of this is less than 0, i.e. minus 4k squared, take away 4 lots of 20 plus 13k, which is our A, times minus 2, which is our C, is less than 0. So we're going to multiply this out, we're going to simplify it, probably divide by 8 or something, and get that one. So what have we got? 16k squared. Yep, needs to divide by 8. Minus 4 times minus 2 is 8. 8 times 20 is 160. 8 times 13 is 104. So it's minus times minus times plus is 104. Let's do the k term next. Yeah, that one. And then minus 4 times minus 2 is 8 times 20 is the 160. It's less than 0. Divided by 4. Therefore, comma, divided by 4 gives us, not divide by 4, divide by 8. 2k squared plus 13k, because 13 8s are 104, because that's how we got to 104. Look, 8 times 13, and 8 into 160 is the 20 that we had. Plus 20 is less than 0. Done. I show that. 6 lines for 4 marks, that's about right. So we set up our equation, we did the algebra, and then we wrote our conclusion. Normal 3-step to do a show that. Part B, 5 steps now. The first step is to rewrite that and solving it. Solving 2k squared plus 13k plus 20 equals 0. 2 times 20 is 80. 80 is 16 fives. We want factors of 80 that add up to 13. 80 and 1, 2 and 20. 4 and, 2 and 40. 4 and 20, 5 and 16. So these add up to 21, 24. These add up to 21. 6, 7, 8. 8 tens are 80. And that doesn't factorize. It's yummy, isn't it? That's why it's 4 marks. We will need to, what am I doing? 2 20s are 40, not 80. 40 and 1, 20 and 2, 4 and 10, 5 and 8. We want the pair that adds up to 13. So 2k plus 8 and 2k plus 5 is equal to 0. We haven't factorised that one, we factorised 2 times it. And this divides by 2 to give k plus 4. So k is equal to minus 4, k is equal to minus 5 over 2. So we solved it, that's step 2. Step 3, sketch our graph. On our graph, the axes are k against the discriminant. We got a root at minus 5, minus 5 over 2. Another root at minus 4. And the y-intercept is 20, so if we sketched it and we did it lovely, this is 0,20, but we don't need that. We just need where the graph is less than 0. Well, the graph is less than 0 between the roots. So what do? we write the roots down again, minus 5 over 2, and from our graph we can see we want k is between them, so that's our final answer.